When I ask people what activities are most important to them that they'd like my help with, by far the most common response is reading. Many people want to be able to read their magazine or a newspaper or a book. Others just want to be able to read directions on their medicine, or perhaps their bills when they come in, or letters or cards, things of that sort. But reading is something that's very important to people and that they miss when they begin to develop low vision. Certainly, a hand magnifier is helpful. Making things bigger and having good light on it is always helpful. However, holding a magnifier in one hand certainly is awkward, and it's almost impossible to write a check while you've got a magnifier in one hand. So what we try to do is put the magnification in glasses. Prismatic glasses are used for reading or other close tasks. This prismatic feature, as you can see, the lens is thicker nasally than it is temporally, allows the two eyes to work together at a very short distance. This particular pair focuses about 8 inches from the person's face, and for many people, prismatic glasses are just exactly what they need for close vision. These are microscopic glasses. They can be used for more complicated prescriptions than the prismatics, and this is the microscopic lens, and it focuses quite close, has better quality focus than the prismatics do in most situations. So these are microscopic glasses used for reading and other close activities, focusing between perhaps 10 inches and 3 or 4 inches, depending on the power. Another way of helping people with reading is something like this. These are telemicroscopic glasses. It's a combination of a telescope and microscopic lens, which allows it to focus at a greater distance. This particular pair focuses at about 13 inches and is more comfortable for reading for longer periods of time, reading a book or a newspaper or something of that sort. Telemicroscopic glasses, very similar to what a surgeon or a dentist might use. Another way that I like to help people with reading, I think is very interesting, is this type of glasses. And these are also a form of reading telescopic glasses. The little telescopes, however, flip up out of the way when you don't need them. So with them up out of the way, you can see across the room. With them flipped down, you could see at a computer distance or a book or something of that sort. Now, also, you can remove these extra little lenses. Those are the lenses that make it focus at the computer. And now we've got a telescope that focuses at a greater distance, could be useful for recognizing friends' faces or perhaps watching television, something of that sort. So there are a lot of ways of helping people with low vision see better for reading, and that allows them to enjoy something that they have probably always enjoyed. It's important to them, and they miss it when they have low vision. And with one of these types of glasses, we're often able to get them back where they can read very well.